Your home is your sanctuary, and creating a comfortable, welcoming environment is essential. One of the most effective ways to improve your home's overall comfort is through window installation. In Covington, where the climate can fluctuate dramatically between hot summers and cooler winters, having the right windows installed can have a significant impact on the comfort of your living space. From improving energy efficiency to enhancing soundproofing, modern windows provide numerous benefits that contribute to a more comfortable home. Let's dive into how window installation in Covington can enhance your indoor comfort and create a more enjoyable living environment for you and your family. Better temperature regulation. One of the most noticeable improvements from window installation is the way it helps regulate the temperature inside your home. Older windows, particularly those with single-pane glass, allow heat to escape in the winter and let in unwanted heat during the summer, making it difficult to maintain a comfortable indoor climate. Energy-efficient windows. Modern windows, such as double-pane or triple-pane windows, are designed to provide superior insulation. The air or gas sealed between the panes acts as a barrier, reducing heat transfer. This keeps your home warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, allowing your heating and cooling systems to work less and maintain a comfortable temperature. Low-E glass coating. Many new windows feature low-E glass coatings, which reflect infrared heat back into your home during the colder months while blocking excess solar heat in the warmer months. This added layer of protection improves your home's insulation and temperature regulation, making it more comfortable year-round. By installing energy-efficient windows, you'll enjoy a home that stays at the perfect temperature, regardless of what's happening outside. Enhanced noise reduction. Whether you live in a busy neighborhood or near a major street in Covington, outdoor noise can be a significant source of disturbance inside your home. Modern window installation can help reduce the amount of noise that enters your home, creating a more peaceful and serene environment. Soundproof windows. High-quality double or triple-pane windows offer better noise reduction than older, single-pane windows. The extra layers of glass and the insulating gases between the panes block sound waves, preventing external noise from traveling into your living space. Noise reduction features. Specialized acoustic windows are designed to provide maximum sound insulation, making them an ideal choice if noise is a concern. These windows feature thicker glass or additional layers of soundproofing material, offering superior protection from external disturbances. Installing modern windows with noise-reducing features ensures that you can enjoy a quiet, calm living environment, whether you're trying to relax after a long day or work from home. Improved air quality and ventilation. Proper window installation also contributes to better air quality and ventilation in your home. When your windows are sealed properly, it helps prevent drafts, moisture buildup, and the infiltration of pollutants, which can affect the air quality inside your home. Sealed windows for better insulation. New windows come with improved weatherproofing that prevents air leakage around the frames. This means you won't experience drafts that make rooms feel chilly or uncomfortable. With tight seals, your HVAC system can run more efficiently, improving indoor air quality and ensuring a consistent, comfortable environment. Better ventilation. With new windows, you can also enjoy better airflow. Many modern window designs, such as casement windows or double-hung windows, allow you to open them fully for optimal ventilation, bringing in fresh air and reducing indoor pollutants. This is particularly beneficial if you live in a densely populated area or near sources of pollution. New windows can enhance the overall indoor air quality, making your home healthier and more comfortable to live in. Increased natural light. Natural light has a profound effect on the way we feel and can enhance the overall comfort of your home. One of the simplest ways to bring more light into your living space is by installing larger windows or upgrading existing ones. Bright, welcoming spaces. Replacing old windows with larger, more modern windows can allow more sunlight to enter your home. Not only does this brighten up dark rooms, but exposure to natural light also helps regulate your body's circadian rhythm, improving mood and productivity. Energy-efficient glass. Many new windows feature high-performance glass that allows more light to enter while also filtering harmful UV rays. This helps to keep your home brighter without worrying about fading furniture or flooring. By installing windows that maximize natural light, you create a warm, welcoming environment that feels more spacious and comfortable. Better protection from the elements. In Covington, where weather can be unpredictable, new windows offer better protection against rain, wind, and extreme temperatures. Installing modern, high-quality windows can shield your home from harsh elements and provide peace of mind. Weather-resistant windows. Modern windows are built to withstand weather extremes, from strong winds to heavy rain. Impact-resistant windows or storm windows provide additional protection against extreme weather, especially if you live in an area prone to storms or hurricanes. Insulation from external elements. New windows are also better at insulating against temperature changes caused by the weather. Whether it's protecting your home from cold winter winds or keeping hot summer air outside, new windows help maintain a comfortable indoor environment. By upgrading your windows, you ensure that your home is well protected from external weather, contributing to a more comfortable indoor climate. Conclusion. Window installation in Covington is one of the most effective ways to enhance your home's comfort. From improved temperature regulation and energy efficiency to reduced noise and better air quality, new windows offer significant benefits that create a more comfortable and inviting living space. By upgrading to modern windows, you'll enjoy a home that's better insulated, quieter, and more energy efficient, while also enhancing your home's overall aesthetic. Whether you're looking to reduce your energy bills, enjoy a quieter space, or simply make your home more comfortable, window installation is a smart investment that will pay off in comfort for years to come.